Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am Nwosu and so many of you call me Chimi. In today's video I will be showing you a very quick and easy way to hem your jeans without losing the original hem. Okay, so this is going to be a quick fix, for your jeans. Let's go right into this tutorial without much ado. All right, so what you need to do is to take the correct measurement or the correct length that you want your jeans to be. So you're going to mark down with a chalk. Just mark whatever length you desire with a chalk. So now you're going to fold it like so. So you're going to fold it in such a way that the hem, is on the same level as the marking that you have. And then you're going to repeat the same thing for the other side. So make sure you do the both of them together like I am doing here, so that you don't end up cutting one longer than the other. So we're going to cross-check that measurement that you've taken. And then once you're sure that it is correct, you're going to go ahead to hold this down with pins. So you're going to repeat the same process for the other one. Okay, so at this point now we're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're going to stitch round just below the hem line. So where my finger is pointing, that's where you're going to stitch. You're just going to stitch them round. So I'll do this off camera and show you what to do next. Okay, so now I've gone to my sewing machine and I've done the stitching, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to take off the pins now. And I'm just going to fold it in. Ta-da! There you go. So this is how your jeans is looking. You still have the original hem. So I'm going to cut out the excess. Once I've confirmed that, my stitch is okay, you can take the measurement again to be sure that you measure the correct thing before cutting this out. So I'm going to be using my pinky shears to do this. I'm cutting. This is because this is a technique, a finishing technique that would prevent your fabric from fraying easily. All right, okay, so this is the excess here, and this is the way this is looking. So at this point you can go ahead to do a top stitch if you want. It looks so much better. You can see it's so good, so neat. You can go ahead to do a top stitch if you want, and you can leave it like this if you don't want that to happen. Okay, so similarly I'll go ahead to do the same for this other side. Once you're done with that, you've successfully hemmed your jeans perfectly without losing the original hem. All right, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My channel is all about sewing and everything about sewing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well when you do that, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.